Diba? Kaya ng internet.
Kaya ka siguro naglalag dun sa ano, nung nag-follow stream ka.
Kunin ko na. Ay, nako.
Kuwi! Wow!
Still? That's crazy.
Wow!
It's lagging hard. How are we gonna play Minecraft?
I can't play
I
Minecraft.
wanna play Minecraft. I wanna build a house here.
Gawa ko yung snowman!
What am I playing?
How do screenshots sa phone mo?
What? Alam niya yung password ng kaya, as in, nagdalag super. Yeah, it is lagging.
Wait. Invite to co-host now? Kasi naka-live ka.
Sige nga, turn mo.
Ay, hindi. Ikaw ata dapat.
Tama.
Pwede ba kita yung stream mo?
Ah,
I think. Yeah, camera mo lang.
ay, wala na eh. We're here.
Parang ako Minecraft. Paano tayo mag-Minecraft? Hindi, i-leave ka tapos ikaw mag-invite sa akin. Alam ko pwede yun eh.
Paano?
Tapos may setting sa side. I feel working. Stop kumain ng unhealthy.
Unhealthy food.
Pera ang bandal. Wala akong bandal in real life. Bagsak yun. Wag dito! Wag dito! Wag dito!
Ano yun? Ano yun?
Mababagsak daw siya.
Nang?
Joke lang. Thank you po for the Mishka Bear! Niloko ko lang. Huwag dito sa akin kay Koey. Thank you nga po. Thank you, Kuya Marky. Asan si ate ko? Matagal na po siya. Wala. Si Koey ito. Sa harap ko, guys. Pakita. Wait lang. I show Koey.
Pagkakalat. Ah, sige.
Hindi, ikaw naman yung ano. Tip camera. Ayan, let's go. Yung pwesto ko, itsura ko ngayon, mukha akong yung mga tita. Anak!
Ismail! Ismail, anak! Ismail!
Picture kita, anak. Uy, I can. Ano yung picture mo ng buko? Pagkain. May send you. Yeah, I see. Thank you po. Thank you so much for the Mishka Bear, Kuya Marky. Yeah. Excuse me. What did I do for today? Today, me and Koey gonna play Minecraft. Kaso, dahil biglaan lang to, wala akong dalang gamit, gamit ko yung phone niya ngayon.
Where is my... Aso yung takip?
Nakip na.
Nalive na ba ako? Ay, nakalive na! Let's co-host you. Ayan na yun.
Yes. Thank you po, Tito Gaming. M7, never. Never ako manonood. Joke. Hindi ko alam. Hindi ko po alam kung kailan ako manonood.
Aha! Aha!
Sen?
Aha! 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 It works! It works!
Ayan!
Aha! Aha! Yeah!
Gumana, guys! Hindi lang kita sa side ko masyado. Nag-buffering pa siya.
Okay lang yan. At least gumana. Okay, let's play Minecraft.
779 left the game.
Oh, wait. I was checking something. Kita niyo ba, guys? Kasi other side nagbabuffering lang siya.
Oo, okay lang yun. Basta pag Minecraft tayo, mahalaga.
This is for all my ladies who don't get hyped.
Saan tayo mag-build ng house?
I will use my data. Bawas ako sa load. Ayun, nagbawas ako na nakakonect. Ayan, pinakarry boom boom. Ayun, nag-load. Pinatay ko yung wifi dito tsaka dito. Kinary boom boom.
Nawala ako.
Ay, naghang ka nga.
Oh my gosh. Okay, that's fine. Basta gumagalaw yung oras, okay lang yan. Walang problema. Sige, sige. Try ko invite ikaw ulit.
Okay, okay. Gumagana siya, guys. Nagbawas naman ako na nakakonect. Ayun. Ayan, gumagalaw ka ata. Yes, you're moving but you're lagging. I think we're both lagging. Kulay red akin. Ayan. Kira na yung stream.
Okay lang yan. Saan ikaw nakapasok na? Hindi pa.
Not yet. Yup. I-internet mo. Hindi na ako nakakonect sa internet mo.
Wala na naman na internet ko. Ganyan siya kabagal. Minecraft. Last. Pag ito. Di pa din.
Feel ko it's a TikTok thing. Can hype it enough. If you've been down wrong, it's your song, so turn it up. One time for all
Wala
my...
siya not lagging anymore. Am I?
Um, maybe because I'm not sharing the... But it says here that you're playing Minecraft.
Hello. Yeah, I'm not lagging because it's small now and ice is better than anything I can.
Hindi na nagkalag si Kobe. Hello, John Romero.
So this is okay. Now,
Hello, Krizali. Thank you for the heart on me.
salamat. Salamat sa
Salamat. Salamat.
Salamat sa
Pip, pip, pip. Oh, di ba ang smooth?
Please work.
Dapat, it's smooth. It's working. Nag-agawan lang talaga tayo sa ano.
Wala, sa maliit lang talaga na screen. Ano, nakasali ka na?
Wala ko rin dito eh. Tayo ba ako invite?
Report.
Report.
Hindi mo ma-invite.
Bakit di mo ako ma-invite?
Ayan.
Social.
So we're gonna go.
We're gonna go into the 2-week na Minecraft na naman. 2-week
Invites.
Minecraft.
Why am I not receiving any invites? There's no words also.
Can you try to restart your Minecraft?
Okay, I restart Minita.
Mag-build walang ano. Kahit ano. Ay, yun lang katabi ng ravine.
Gone.
Oh, nawala ka bigla ulit.
Ang ganda-ganda na eh.
Hindi ata ko nakakaya. Why can't we play also? It's because we're not using the same internet. It's not supposed to be like that. You know what? We try for free. Free trial. Free 30 days. Start free trial.
I think.
Oh no, we're not using the same connection. Naka-hotspot ako right now.
Kaya bawal ito. Kumali.
Ito, nag-ano ako ng 1 month free na Minecraft Realm.
Legit ba? Diyan tayo sa sali? Okay. You can do that.
Unless gusto mo ikaw.
Hindi. Ay. Eh, forever naman na siya. Paano
Okay.
yung payment niyan?
Okay lang. Pwede ko naman siya and ginawa rin kitang operator. Done. Let's play.
How? Where? Invitations. Accept.
Eh? Profile. It seems that I'm not connected.
Okay, let's go.
Ayan. Add members. I think you're already here. Yes.
Yeah, it's really gonna be small screen lang. Saan ba kayo nanonood? What device are you guys using? Bakit maliit?
Yun. Can you explain what's Minecraft? Minecraft is basically like a survival game. It's a sandbox game. You can do anything. And like you can build your own house, you can hunt for like ores, like iron.
What is it?
Oh, we spawned here.
I can't say anything.
I can't see anything.
You're on a tree, you need to move.
I'm lagging.
I'm lagging, bro.
Try checking your um game. How do we change game modes? Oh, you're loading.
Hi, I can see your name.
I can see your name.
Oh, we cannot change the difficulty.
No, really?
Yup.
No, really?
So we're not. This is
So we're
really
not-
this.
This is really just.
This is really survival.
It's really
Yup.
survival.
No, I'm scared.
Oh, I'm scared.
I am believing so bad.
My stream is gone again.
Ow! Ow!
Ah, okay. Are you sure you want to do it in the snow biome?
I'm just collecting wood. Wala, ang meron na talaga sa Minecraft. Parang survival lang talaga siya. Gusto mo mag-build. Actually, ang main goal talaga dito sa Minecraft is to defeat the Ender Dragon. So, to defeat the Ender Dragon, you have to, hanap ng stronghold. Yung stronghold, para siyang abandoned na underground kind of city na made of stones. Tapos, sobrang hirap niyang hanapin. Mahanap mo
Oh my
lang...
gosh!
Why?
Look at the chicken!
Chicken?
Chicken is gray!
What?
It's a gray chicken!
Great chicken? On the
What
wings.
is it? It's gone.
Maybe. Wait, I think I see. Oh, I see it! What the frick?
Why does it look like that? Look stupid! Hey! Hey! Stop it! But I don't wanna live in snow. We're not Elsa.
Yes, don't worry. We are not gonna live there. I'm just getting wood.
Tagal ako nga yung controller ko. Hello, it's all
Scary.
here.
Basically, yes. Tapos, ayun, you can, yung mga may levels yung armor dito. The weakest armor sa Minecraft is leather. You can get leather by killing cows. Tapos, ayun, may certain amount siya for like, per piece mo siya binibuild. Like helmet, chest plate, the leggings, and the shoes.
Kaya nga eh.
Tapos, the next level naman ng durability ng armor, it's called the iron ones. Unless may bagong dagdag sila na hindi ko alam. So, after iron, you get
Ayan,
gold.
I'm lost.
I'm right behind you, don't worry.
Okay.
I'm just following you.
I'm hungry.
Wait lang. Why don't we murder the ships?
What is that?
That's ambient sound.
No, it's a pig.
A pig. Murder the pig.
Why the pig look like that?
Maybe everything you...
Look.
Just a minute. I make this one. I make this one. I make this one. This one. And then I make this one. Oops. Then, same goes din sa mga, sa mga tag dito. Sa mga weapons. Same na ng level. May may wood.
Daddy, look.
What that?
Here.
Where you at?
I'm here.
Where is here?
Here.
Where is here? Ayun. Oh, that is one ugly Ugly pig, mardir. Pork chop.
Yes, need pork chop. Anyway,
Come here, pork
I don't
chop.
wanna let it go. I don't wanna let it go. Let it go.
Let it go. Pick game, yeah.
Gusto ko pa naman ng aesthetic pink house.
Hanap tayo ng cherry blossom.
Bio. Ay, cherry blossom bio.
Why does
Wala, di wala. It's all snow.
Don't worry, the Minecraft world is very big. We can find.
There's a village.
Nice.
Right here.
So yun, after iron, wait, where are you?
Where are you?
Settings. Activate cheats. Ayan. Wait. How I TP to you?
Sorry, Mr. Farmer.
Teleport.
Food.
Proceed to you. Okay. I teleport to you. Hello. Oo. Saan ba tayo dito, sir? Sorry, nakahinga pa kasi distract. After ng iron, gold. Mas malakas yung gold sa iron, pero mas mabilis masira lahat ng gold tools, pati armor. Then, after... Ay, wait. May mga igloo. Check the rooms. Alam mo ba yun? Yung may hidden room.
What? No.
Whenever you see igloo, there is always hidden room below.
Really?
Well, may chance. Yes. Para
I
siyang...
went to this biome before na my village.
Really? Wait, hanap tayo ng biome na ay yung igloo. Or hiwalay na
Hindi
igloo.
nakikita ang labo daw. Parang...
You have to dig the floor to find the... Ay, God, cold. Ano sa ba ang stop goal? After that is call this, it's diamond. Then after diamond, it's the netherite. Yun. Yun yung mostly na parang ginagawa dito sa Minecraft. Yung goal ng mga players is to find netherite sa nether. Nether is another realm sa Minecraft. You can build the portal by making a square or rectangle na portal made of obsidian, or pwede kang makahanap around the map.
It's okay. Hey, there's two beds here then. Should we live here first?
Okay. I go.
Oh, take me the carrot.
Ayan. Bed is too far away. Ayan. Ano yun? Kung mo talaga is magpalakas ka lang. Like, sa weapon, sa armor. Tapos yung mga armors and weapons mo, pwede mo pa siya enhance. Enhance like sharpness, knockback. Yung sharpness, mas mataas yung damage yun. High Noctis, Final Fantasy Tapos, yung knockback, pag inattack ka ng monsters, pati sila magkakadamage. Yun yung purpose. Ay, hindi, thorns pala yun. Na, meron kasi hindi pa naglaro ng Minecraft, so yun. I'm just explaining. Tapos yun, main goal lang talaga is to defeat the Nether Dragon. Tapos hindi lang madali kalaban yung Nether Dragon kasi marami siyang obsidian pillars sa sobrang taas. So, may parang gems sa ibabaw ng obsidian. You scared of the dark? Okay. I'm on my way. Thank you for the heart, me. Yes, naka-Minecraft realms ako ngayon. With Goey.
I have rabbits. I have bunnies outside.
Ayun. That's how you play Minecraft. Basically surviving. If you die, you lose your items. Pero you
Oh,
can...
sorry.
It's okay, I lagging. If you die, you lose your items or like mahuhulog siya sa o saan ka namatay. So you're gonna have to retrieve
There's a
them.
cat! Oh no, they died! Oh no!
Oh yes, go cat! Murder the bunnies!
Oh no! I need to
Good cat! Go cat! Now we have food. I cook food for us. Good cat, very good cats.
I killed that. Where's
No!
the cat?
Ito, may rabbit dito. May baby pa. I think these are the
I
rabbits.
killed that too. Oh my gosh, it died! Oh my gosh, it killed itself! No, it jumped off the...
Oh, hello po!
I don't wanna
Hello
live
po,
anymore.
Sir Justin. Thank you po for the friendship necklace at Dimyaw. Welcome back. I have pork chop over here by the farmers.
Everyone is dying.
And I'm King Ro Rabbit and the Chim King. Kamusta po?
But I wanna build.
You build? Okay. You go turn. I enabled the cheats.
Apa deh?
I enabled this.
We can fly?
I think so. Game mode. Ay. Baka teleport lang. Realm information. Bakit di ko pwede palitan? Members.
There's foxes.
Give them something.
They have blue eyes.
Okay.
Come here.
Trying to find the... Hindi siya pwede palitan. Kasi pwede mag-creative.
Has it been a long time since he started his live? No, not really. It's not screen. I'm sorry.
Yes. Sobrang open world na Minecraft. Lalo na sa PC. Kasi sa mobile, I don't know if until now sa mobile, may limit. Like, may parang invisible wall. Like, kita mo yung dulo. Pero when you play sa PC, sobrang unlimited niya. Unlimited. Or hindi ko lang na, hindi ko nakikita pa yung dulo. Sa years of playing Minecraft, ha? I've been playing Minecraft siguro around 2011. Parang gano'n nakatagal. Then I stopped for a long time. Kaya pagbalik ko ng Minecraft, sobrang naninibago na ako. You need food?
Me, no. I'm trying to get the Arctic fox.
Oh, I don't think you can
No.
adopt them.
I don't know how to go back.
Ayun, pabigat. Yes, exactly. Tapos, sa Minecraft, since ang dami ng bago sa Minecraft ngayon eh. So, para siyang Earth lang, literally. May parang desert, may forest, may jungle, may snowy biomes. Kasi maganyan, may mga certain intensity pa siya. So, iba may parang normal snowy biomes lang. Tapos may mga normal hills, big spaces. Iba may mga mataas na mountains. Iba maraming mataas na mountains na made of ice. Tapos may mga deadly snows na malalaro na pwede ka mamatay. Tapos, sa desert naman, meron naman dun part na parang nakakasunod yung sand. Tapos, meron sa underwater, meron dun parang underwater temple. May mga parang creatures na doon nag-guide na pwede kang kumuha ng item doon. Tapos, may mga gold, ganyan, emeralds. Tapos, may parang Eye of Ender ata. Ay,
Eye of the tiger.
I forgot. Yung Eye of Ender kasi sa ano yun eh, sa Enderman. So, speaking of Ender Dragon, para mahanap mo yung stronghold, sinasabi ko, parang underground siya na ancient city. Iba pa ancient city. Pero yun yung sinaunang ancient city ng Minecraft. Kailangan mo magpatay ng Endermans. Yung Endermans, sila yung parang mga dark na matangkad sa game. Na pag yung crosshair mo tumapat sa kanila, hantikin ka nila. Ganun nagka-creep yung Minecraft. So, yung mga Endermans na yun, yung dinadrop nila yung Ender Pearls. Pero, hindi mo pa yun magagamit. Hindi mo pa yun magagamit to find the stronghold. Kasi, yung Eye of Ender yung ginagamit mo. Totoo naman. Yung Eye of Ender, yun yung ginagamit mo. Kasi pag nirelease mo siya, lulutang siya. Tapos susundan mo yun. Maraming beses hanggang sa isang area na yung binabagsakan niya. Sabihin, below that floor, dun na yung stronghold. So, you need to have enough Eye of Enders kasi parang 6, 9, 12 total yun eh. Yung sa may portal. Minsan may nakalagay ng 3, ganon, 1, 2. Kailangan mo lang kumpletuhin. Then na yun. Kalabanan mo na. Yeah. May napagawa din ng Minecraft version ng Studio Night Bulaga. Ay, wait po ba? Cute naman yun. Hi, Jill! Hello! Yes, nag-break din yung Eye of Ender pag ginamit mo. Kaya, ay, oh, there's a cat! Ang cute ng cat! Ang mamyo lang siya. Wow, you hit the cat! It's giving us food. Look, oh, the baby! May baby siya!
They don't look alike. They're killing all my body!
It's food for us. They're killing it for us. Ay, that's mommy and baby. Ay, may tracker na ng player kung nasaan. What the hell? Yun na pala yun.
Oh, eh? Yung ano?
Yun pala yun sa ilalim.
Hindi ko napansin. Thank you, BJ, for the roses. It's small screen. I'm sorry. I can't do anything. Otherwise,
Is it open to public or private? You can have private servers. You can have public servers as well.
What is
Yung-
this?
Oh, those are cows. What the hell? Why are they inspired by mammoths? They kind of look like mammoths. May types na rin pala ang ano.
I think we should feed them.
Yes, we need to feed them. Hey, Monica.
Wheat, diba?
Yes. So, so you can, ang pinaka-easiest way na makapag-multiplayer is through LAN. So, if you guys are sharing the same, like, internet, kahit wala kang internet yon basta LAN, makapag-play kayo offline. Tapos, ito lang yung problem when it comes to servers na gusto mo na online. Kailangan mo mag-Minecraft Realms or yung ginagawa ng iba, nag-hamachi or like third-party server creating MA. Tapos, pinaka-complicated pa dito is kagawa ka ng server with mods. So, until now, hirap pa rin ako gumawa ng server with mods kaya lagi naka-vanilla lang. Oo, buhay pa rin hamachi until now pero hindi ko alam kung paano nila sinaset up yung hamachi eh. So, yun. Di ba nila ginagawa yung public
Then I found a way out.
way out?
Way up. Way up.
Okay, I go to you.
Flowers!
So, yun guys. Yun. Basically, how ang ng multiplayer ng Minecraft. And ngayon, nakakaano rin kasi yun sobrang mahirap lang sa Minecraft na until now, I still don't roar. Kasi ang hirap, sobrang complicated.
Legit ba? Gano'ng kaliit ba? Can you,
You're not here.
wait. Oh, hold on.
Yung...
What's my other phone? Can I have it?
Ito.
I got told.
Ganun ba? Baka kaya ganun. Kasi pag Hamachi kasi, yun yung mga third party, yun yung mga free servers. So, yung mga free servers na yun, parang pwede mo siyang i-on. Tapos, yung mga paid version lang is pwede na siya mag-run all throughout the day na hindi kailangan ng may PC na nag-ooperate nun. Trying to find the Sakura place. Oy! I think this is Sakura.
Wala, ang liit nga. Tama!
Ha?
Tama, ang liit.
Ay, ang liit.
Ang liit nga. Mamay kasi.
Wait lang.
It's okay.
Wait lang, I'm fighting off skeleton.
Oh no!
And zombie na may armor! What the hell?
Okay, I'm lost.
Toto! Ah! Ah!
Are you moving? Creeper!
Oh man! So we back in the mine, gotta pick up speakings from side to side, times a day, time to a day. I'm burning! I'm dying! I died! Teleport sa'yo. Ah, wait.
Eh, sila din yung bumabantay sa akin.
I'm getting the beds. Don't die. Teleport. Yan. I got our beds.
But, bawal creative.
Bawal creative. Di ko kung bakit.
Hindi pa ko ready. Nang.
Pero ito, Sakura Blossom.
Ay, live ka na ako muna tungkol. I'm sorry.
For party rockin'.
Magtsapagain na kayo.
Hello, Yanaverse. Why are you sad, Yanaverse?
Yes, little bit. Little bit.
Ilan mo na profile ni Red, no?
Sakura ba yun?
Yes.
Ate, ate. Okay.
That's what I kept telling you kanina ba?
Is it ba?
Ay, Sakura.
Ate, ate. Okay,
Why?
we build house here.
Yes.
We build pink house here.
Okay, we build pink
Where to
house.
get white wood? Ay, ibang biome pala.
Akasha, yeah.
No, not that one. The white one.
Yeah.
There's a village too.
Ay, the birch. Birch, rather.
No, may white na. Legit. May
No white? No?
Yeah.
What the hell?
Yeah.
Where do you get the white? So many new things in Minecraft.
Yeah.
My old self cannot...
Oh, no, I'm hungry.
Uy, nakakahanap po. Oh no! Asa ba sa ate Yana? Is she overseas again? There's a horsey! White horse.
Now it's too late for you in your white horse.
Ay, shucks! Mali, sinapak ko.
Nampak?
Sinapak. Ayan! This horsey, white horsey is mine now. Don't worry, ako muna dito para sa inyo. Ngunit paumanhin mga Kayanaverse dahil ako ay hindi isang HR. Ako ay isang nurse lamang.
Good night. Thank you.
Sige, Yanaverse, kayo ay mag-ingat. Salamat sa pagdalaw sa aking munting live. Oh, Tagalog.
Yeah, I will search YouTube now.
Ha?
I'll search YouTube.
Okay.
Kung anong magandang house.
Build.
Cute
Cute house to build. Oh, I like this biome. Ang ganda ng biome. Bayong. Ang laki ng village.
What?
Okay. Thank you, Kuya Marky. Good night. Hello, Boss Adrian.
Welcome to my small
Yes,
life.
Hindi, ako lang po kasi ako lang yung student ambassador.
Ate Andy.
Yeah. Ay,
Wait.
wait lang. Wait lang, guys. Ano ko
Pause the live.
ayusin ko lang yung kumain ako
Yan. Pause the live muna. Pause the live.
Post lang ako live, guys. Choto, paano mag-post ito yan? Why?
Ano tayo sa video?
Ito video. Oh, no, I kinda get yippy.
No!
Makakapasok ka pa rin sa loob, kahit wala ako.
Ano yun? Sakura, ano yun?
Sakura Cute House. Hanap ako ng, puting puno.
Ikaw yung miner, ako yung builder.
Yes.
Hello! Nag-eat ka na ba? Yes, nag-eat na. Sabi ko niya, Andy, nag-eat.
Ang ganda ng kinain namin, guys. Sobrang healthy. Sobrang healthy ng kinain namin.
Sinak ni Jamie. Anyway, it's pink survival house. Yeah. Parang cute siya, pero
Survival friendly.
yeah.
What tayo? Puro mga dark wood dito. Wala bang locate dito? Slash.
Slash looking. Meron yan.
Ayun. Birch.
Hindi birch. Wait lang, hanapin ko kung anong klaseng wood yun.
Di ba yun sa ano? Siya ibang
Pale oak. Pale oak.
Pale.
Pale oak tree, I think.
ano.
Broccoli.
Can you search kung anong biome nakikita yung pale oak?
What?
Can you search what biome yung pale oak?
Swamp.
Uy, thank you, Dimia, for being the... Oy, congrats for being the title gifter.
Pale garden biome.
Pale garden?
Yeah,
What
but
the...
you should see. I will sama-sama to you. But we need to memorize kung ano yung location dito.
Open mo yung XYZ.
Saan yan?
Sa... Ay,
Sabi ba yun? Way up, oh way up.
bakit hindi walok? Ano?
Hello. Who's that?
Hi, Joke. Pwede pala mag-creative ata.
Where?
Ayun, pwede nga.
Paano own? Own yun eh.
Slash game mode.
Hala!
Please.
Nakuy.
Tinawad maghanap eh, no? Nag-creative.
Hello! Maliit pa rin screen. Yes. Correct.
Wait lang, let me check nga.
Yeah. Bakit yung maliit pa rin? Hindi mo na alam. I mean, sa view ko kasi buo siya, di ba? Dapat sa kanila din. Di ba nagkaroon na ito? Baka nagbabag yung ano. Let me see. No, it's so funny. It's me. You know.
Bakit nakaganyan? Baka nag-bug. What if i-end stream mo?
Eh, sabi nila huwag na daw ako mag-end stream kasi nakailang stream na ako eh.
Ano ba? Nagbabag ata. Kasi
Do you see my room? Are you enjoying my room so far? Na-try mo na yung couch, Ate Abby. Try the couch. Yan, upo ka doon.
Nakikita. Bakit kulig?
Kulay. Buka yan. Buka lang dyan. Yan, yan. O, diba? Kita niyo ba siya? Ano hindi nila nakita?
Kaupo na ako.
Enjoy it. Rate my room.
10 out of 10.
I'm like...
Ayaw tayo pag-streaming.
Asan na yung phone mo?
Ano to?
Paano yung mga sila kausap?
Wala, nakikita lang nila pa din. Isang pa daw na.
This is my real height, guys. Wait, paano yung left and right? Eh, left and right. Ate, hindi ko. Minecraft. Ayoko na Minecraft. Ayoko na. Ikaw na lang pumunta doon. Ah, what the heck is this? Fireflies?
Huh? You would not believe your eyes in 10 million fireflies?
Ate, there's fireflies.
Where are you at? You would not believe your eyes. 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 Ay, oo nga. May fireflies na dito. Oh, ang ganda.
Oh, Tara, punta tayo sa ano?
Sa...
Wait lang.
Ay, save ka muna ng bed dito para pag namatay tayo. Kasi
Wait, ano ka naman ah? Paano gawing creative?
slash game mode space creative. To stay fill the open air, live teardrops everywhere.
Ano? Ba't pa mag... Lilit? Anong tawag doon?
Mag-bed.
Oo, ba't pa
Para ano, pagpala na dito
Ano,
para
build na lang tayo ng house.
ayaw mo dito sa cherry biome?
Dito, gusto ko.
Kaya sabi ko ano, gusto ko lang tignan kasi yung ano.
Yung pail.
Yeah.
I can. So, ikaw na lang mag-save.
Nag-save ako ng save. Parang nagpakamatay ako. Locate.
Teleport ako sa'yo. Mag-relive na lang ako guys ulit. Mamaya after a few minutes. Baka kaya hindi nagalag kasi pagkaliit ng screen. Thank you PJ for the roses. Thank you. Thank you Sari Store for the heart. Thank you guys. Sige lang. Mag-relive na lang ako. Mamaya. Naon mo yung XYZ?
Ay, nag-response point set na lang ako. Para pag nakita ko na, papakamatay na lang ako.
Sama ako sa iyo.
Ayun. Yun yung coordinates.
Paano yun yung coordinates sa view ko?
Hindi, nasa chat. Yung coordinates ng ano. Negative 1 to 5.
Hanap ako spot ng house.
1, 2, 5, 9, 1, 10. Negative 9 times 9.
Here. I found it. Ate, hindi mo disappeared.
Paano mo disappeared? Ah? Live will end in 3.
Nagsasalita na naman yun.
Minecraft mo? No, it's Minecraft. Ay, wow! This is creepy.
Right. You wanna get a house there too?
Pwede naman. Sa gitna siya ng ng forest ng... Nandito lang pala siya.
A disco ball is just how you body up there. I like to make myself believe the planet turns slowly.
It's hard to say it, I'd rather stay awake when I'm asleep. What the heck? Ano kulay red eyes?
Yes. As it says, never fall asleep. Wait Namiss ko na yung controller ko, bro.
Dahil early. Parang wala ako nakukuhang kahoy. I'm lagging so bad.
Duo house.
Gusto mo bang pumunta sa akin? Sobrang liit lang nito eh.
Connecting.
Teleport na ako sa'yo.
Saan yung house natin?
Ikaw, sa baba gusto mo.
Ito na lang. Ito.
Focus yun siya. Times it. Sabi pa lang pero natok na ako. What the hell eh?
Sleepy yarn.
Or baka dahil ka din natulog ko.
Sintan ka na.
In a bit. Wait lang. Let me just... Oh my God, bilis. Open to for 1 month for free.
Yay. Eight, nine, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Ano, pati nga. Parang strawberry shortcake.
Yes.
Gagabay. Hindi, ano lang eh. Tulog ko guys, 2 hours lang. Everything is never as it seems. I fall asleep.
Night.
Sarap mag-stretch. Yeah. Ay, ibang brand. Bawat.
Hindi naman ah.
Everything is never as it seems. Wala rin ako sa bahay, guys. So, ang aking vitamins, aka Cerelac, ay hindi ko makakain. Ay, brand. Iniinom ko.
Hindi ko maintindihan natin, Andy, help!
Tracy.
Ano ka si Cherry?
Okay.
Laptop ba gamit niya? Hindi. Pag 1 hour na ito, mag-live ako. Wait lang guys. Ayusin ko yan. Why I don't understand?
1, 2, dapat 6 yung puti.
Or kasama yung pink.
Kasama pink.
So that's
3, 4, 5, 6. Tama.
and then
1, 2, 3.
Ito yung white na 600. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Yan.
Okay.
Maganda mo siya tignan.
Oh, yeah. Okay. It's easier now. Should I make it elevated or not elevated?
Pag may column yung sa mobile,
Hindi nakakontroller talaga ako at
kahit controller, masipag eh. Kung sa controller or
dapat PC.
easy ako masipag. Kasi mas mabisit. Talaga. Bilis
Real. See, paano to yan, no? All day, all day. Pwede lang.
Mag-uulit-ulit ka nga yan. Slowly. It's hard to say that I'd rather stay awake when I'm asleep. Pili ko mamaya. May naririnig yung humihilik ako na yan. Comfort game ko ang Minecraft, guys. Did you guys know? Sa buong famous era ng Minecraft, I was there. Before pa sumikat yung Minecraft,
Same.
I was there. Wala pa tong mga iba't ibang biomes, I was there. Kami ni Koey. I see something burning on the side. It's died.
Paano meron died?
Zombie villager.
Oh. Put him outside in the...
Fire! Oh, I am lagging. Fire! Oh, eh, tukutu.
Pantay.
Ang I can see anything. I cannot move. What you is not pantay? What you is not pantay?
Hindi siya pantay. You're gonna hit the hill.
Sobra na yan.
Yes. Lipat ko lang.
Okay. I play Pokemon Go every day. I play Mockup. I go. I play Mockup. I go play. Go. I'm here. I hear. See. I think my phone cannot handle it. The connection has lost.
Oh no. Okay, I'm gonna relive now. Be right back, guys.
Hindi na ka kaya. I'm trying to reconnect. 'Connect. 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 ' Hindi. Pag umuwi ako, pag umuwi ako, pag ito marami na nakalagay mamaya. Person nun. Sa bag. Ayun na nga.
Bawal kasi ako masyado madikit. Kapag madikit kasi ako,
Legendary!
mamatay ako.
Imperial Phoenix! Superb tanking! The Phoenix Red Team destroy the turret! I